videotaping?
Yep.
Alright, basically, we're getting golf balls, we're batting them. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna get out so much. Take 2. Clap.
Take 4, clap.
No, take 4. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Liam, it's been a minute almost.
Has it really?
It's been 48 seconds.
Oh, wow.
55. 60.
Oh, that was terrible.
Alright, well, that's Liam.
Thank you.
Here.
Oh, he threw that. Dude, get your golf ball.
Yeah, right here.
By the way, that was terrible of me. I actually hit it far into the forest before. So, now Jonathan's up. And that was alright, I guess.